Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. In today's video, we are going to be doing a very special Chanel unboxing, and this is something that I've come to do on my channel as of recent, is show you guys some of the handbags that I have invested in personally, because handbags are my second passion next to makeup, and high-end and luxury makeup goes very well in a high-end and luxury handbag. I'm going to be filming my entire luxury handbag collection for you guys coming very, very soon. It's going to be a longer video also, so do hang tight for that one and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more luxury handbag unboxings and also to be notified when I upload my full collection. So if you guys want to see me unbox this very special Chanel bag, and this is one I never thought I would buy, then just keep watching. All right, so here we have the box here with the new Chanel. Now there's actually a personalized note from the personal shopper that I used for this one. So the personal shopper I used for this bag is Chanel_CMYK on Instagram. Her name is Anya and she is so sweet. I have purchased a bag from her previously. She is actually very, very nice. She just tells it how it is. It's funny, there's some personal shoppers out there that they kind of like, you know, encourage you in a way that makes you want to buy. They're good influences, but also bad. But she's actually one that's very down to earth and will tell you what's what sometimes, which I really appreciate. She's not all about the sale and stuff. She's actually about the friendship first. So really, really love her. She is out of the US and she is someone that I have used before. Like I said, I heavily endorse her and her process because everything that she sells is exactly as described and obviously authentic and has always been a very positive experience. So this card says, "Dear Jenna, hope you love and enjoy this beauty. XOXO Anya." So that's really, really sweet. And it's also a Chanel card, which is so cute. So here we have this box right here. Of course, this is the classic Chanel box. It's a very nice smooth matte box and it's cardboard. And this is actually a tip that I learned from Anya actually. When you buy Chanel abroad, you can actually ask at the boutique to keep their boxes flattened, as in not folded up. Then you can actually just put them directly in your luggage. You don't have to worry about having a folded box in there because it obviously takes up more space. But if you get the box and it's all folded up and everything, it actually has glue along the edges, so you can't really compress it as easily. So I learned that, and that's a really helpful tip because then it helps you to save the box and for it to not get all dented and stuff. That's happened to me in the past where I put a box fully assembled in my bag and it just, you know, it ends up getting creased and thrown about because they don't always treat your bags the nicest over there. We do have the box lifting straight up like this. You can see the tissue paper. So that little Chanel there is actually a sticker. It has white Chanel tissue paper. As always, they've got every detail thought of when you purchase a bag of this investment price. Let's be real. We do have the care booklet on the bottom, so I'll show you that really quick. It's still in the cellophane, but you can see that it comes with a care booklet. This is obviously white, so it's going to wash out a little bit on camera, but this is a really nice care booklet. Comes with how to keep your bag looking its best. Lots of tips. You can also take your bags back to the boutiques and get them repaired if you need to. So that's obviously a good thing. They stand by their bags and their quality. So that's obviously amazing. So now we have the bag in the dust bag. So this is, oh, you can see the chain kind of popping out. So this is the black dust bag. It actually comes in like this kind of material. It's canvas. And it has a, sorry, I saw the bag a little bit. Okay, so it has like a drawstring at the front so you can cinch the bag if you want in travel to keep it closed. You guys, this looks even more stunning in person. This is a highly controversial bag, I'm going to warn you. You will either love it or you will hate it. There will be no in between. This one, I actually initially didn't think I'd get because I was on the fence of not liking it at first. I was like, no, not for me. Too busy, too loud, too gaudy, too bejeweled. But no, you will love it. Okay, guys. Here she is. This is the Chanel 2020 rainbow bag. This is on their reissue style. So it's a reissue flap. You can see mine has really, really beautiful blue/purple tinges on the front. And we do have a little piece of felt right here. I'm going to take that off, but the fact that this is so shiny is my lights are loving this bag. It's just like reflecting it ever so much. I'm also going to show you guys in sunlight and daylight just how it changes because it's a really cool kind of chameleon bag. But this is a mini, so this is the bottom of it. It's so cool. It obviously looks extremely bright against my lights, but this is so stunning. We do have a little bit of some gold detailing along the closure here. We have some metallic pink down here, a little bit of like metallic gold along the edge. This is the other edge of the bag here. You can see it has a true mermaid kind of gradient. We have from pink all the way to blue. This is like mermaid dreams, you guys. Like this is so cool. This is the back of it. Ooh, it's so nice. We do have the aquamarine back Mona Lisa pocket. Then we also have that gradient of the rainbow with the pink, the blue, and the purple. This is a interesting chain on this one. You can see that here. It's actually kind of like a white gold with interlocking chain links. It's actually fairly comfortable. This was going to be my biggest, I guess, concern with it, not seeing it in person. She described it really well, and because she owns a reissue herself, the personal shopper, Anya, I was actually asking her how it sits on her body and if it kind of digs in or if it's uncomfortable, and she said that it actually wasn't. So now feeling it, I can tell that it's definitely more comfortable than it looks. This is the edge here. You can see it has a nice gradient of pink to yellowy gold all the way to purple blue again. So this is a very unique bag. Now, because it is so bright, it is so metallic, it is so loud, essentially, this to me is going to be a bag that I will be wearing for nights out. I mean, a lot of you guys say to not even worry about that, just enjoy the bags now. I had a couple comments last time of someone saying that life is too short, don't even do that. But I definitely, at the minimum, will dress this baby with some solid colors. I don't want it to clash too much with certain outfits. So it's definitely something that you have to pair wisely when it comes to outfit. This to me is definitely a bag that you have to see in person to really appreciate. Obviously some photos of it make it look so stunning and just how like gorgeously mermaid and rainbow it is. But this is the other side, by the way. You can see how gorgeous it's blue on the other side. I don't know. I just think this is something that I've now had so much more appreciation for now that I've seen it in person. This definitely has like that crumpled kind of look to it. It's like that metallic crumpled finish, but it's just so unique. This is definitely something that is more of a collector's item. And like I said, it's just a one of a kind, a special piece from their most recent collection. Here we have the inside. Now take a look at the inside of this. This is so pretty. So as you can see, we have some pink and some gold on the inside of that bag. And then the inner flap here has more blue and purple. It's really cool. Like this is just something unlike anything I have in my collection as of current. It is an all gold interior. So solid gold interior at the bottom there. And then we do have the authenticity card in the back pocket and a zippered pouch in the back pocket also. So for those wondering what kind of skin this bag is, this is actually a goat skin bag. The official name of this guy is the Chanel 20A Rainbow Metallic Reissue 2.55 bag. And this is actually in the mini size. I've seen it in the mini and I've also seen it in a wallet on chain. I don't know if I've seen it in other sizes, but if you talk to Anya, if you're interested in purchasing something like this or going to a boutique, they'll be able to tell you if there's other sizes available. This bag, of course, is starting to sell out. I think it already is pretty much sold out. So if you're able to get one, I think it's important to get it if you're able to invest in it and you really like it. Each rainbow bag is different. The colorways are not identical between them, so it makes each one unique. And that's what I really love. I really wanted one that looked very rainbow-like. There's a lot that don't look the best, but this one has a gorgeous colorway. And I just love how everything shines and just like, I don't know, there's something about this one, but I know it's not going to be everyone's cup of tea. I think if you grew up loving Little Mermaid like myself, you may be interested in this one. Just depends on your preferences. So here I have some photos of me wearing the bag, and you can see because it's a mini, it actually hits me really, really nice on my 5'6" frame, which is awesome. Some bags, like the medium large classic flap, you can't really wear crossbody because it just kind of hits me a little bit too high, but this is a really nice bag that still looks really nice, even worn crossbody. Hits me kind of right at the hip, and for me at 5'6", that's perfect. You can also wear it on the shoulder, you can wear it on the crook of your arm. Very, very comfortable with this chain. It's very surprisingly comfortable considering it looks kind of like it might not be, but it actually does look fairly comfortable. Anyways, guys, what do you think of this beauty? What are your thoughts? This is definitely a bag that's gotten a ton of attention, good and bad, but personally, I really, really love it. And if I change my mind in the future, the good thing about Chanel is that you still have a fairly good likelihood of selling it down the line if you find that you're not using it as much as you thought. And of course, stay tuned for my full luxury bag collection that is coming soon. It's gonna take me a long time to film because there's quite a few bags to cover. But like I said, do subscribe if you wanna see more Chanel unboxings, more luxury bag unboxings, and of course to be notified when I upload my entire collection. Until my next one, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know all of your thoughts on this beauty, and I hope you guys stay safe. Bye, guys.
You and me, everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't believe we've had our gray, but somewhere there's a light inside of us.